This Apple Watch Series 7 is brand new, and this one is Apple Certified Refurbished. What's the difference, and is it worth it? Or wait, is this the new one? What's up, everybody? Welcome to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. I have two Apple Watch models here. One of them is refurbished, and the other is brand new. What are the differences? And is it worth saving a little bit of money going with a refurbished Apple Watch? Let's take a closer look at what you get. So here are the two Apple Watches that I picked up. One of them, the one here in front, is brand new, an actual Apple Watch Series 7. The second one here, this is the refurbished one. They look identical, same packaging, but there is a sticker here right on the front. If I get a little bit closer to the camera, it tells you that it is a refurbished Apple Watch, Apple Certified Refurbished. So it's not just, any certified or any refurbished one. It's one directly from Apple. And this will save you, I believe, about $60 compared to the retail price on the Apple Watch Series 7, at least in this smaller version of the Apple Watch. So what other changes are there? If we flip these over, you're going to see the differences in the packaging already. So we have a basic label here on the refurbished model. It does say Refurb RFB right there on the label. It's a Series 7 41mm Starlight and the Starlight strap to go along with it. Then down here we have our Apple Watch Series 7 Starlight aluminum case, different color band, but a larger label, different retail packaging versus the refurb packaging there at the top. So we can go ahead and open these up, see if we notice any other differences between the two. Try not to destroy our packaging as we go. Slide this out. Here's our new Apple Watch here at the bottom. Let's go ahead and same thing on the top with the refurb. Everything looks spot on between the two. So there isn't a ton visually different between these guys. But when we turn the boxes over, we have slightly different labels. This is the same label pretty much that we see on the outside of the box versus this one just kind of goes along with it. So some slight differences in the packaging. If I could interrupt myself for just a moment, I need to thank our sponsor for this video, TeraBox. Do you need cloud storage? You probably do. Almost everyone can use more cloud storage, and TeraBox gives you an entire 1,024 gigs of free storage, a terabyte, just for downloading the app. You can even automatically upload and back up your videos from your camera roll. Additionally, you can share any of this content with your friends, family, and coworkers. Once uploaded, you no longer have to rely on local storage for all of your files. And there's even this handy space analyzer that'll analyze your photos and videos and remove any duplicates, saving you even more space of that free cloud storage. Do you ever have issues with your phone being slow, running out of storage, stuff freezing, or you have a small capacity iPhone that can't hold all your photos or videos? Or maybe you constantly have iCloud backups fail because you don't have enough room for all your photos and videos, or your phone is taken up predominantly by photos and videos. Let me introduce you to TeraBox. So stop wasting so much money on cloud storage and give TeraBox a try. It's a free download now on the iPhone and Android. You can go ahead and get a link for it down below in the description. Thank you again to TeraBox for sponsoring this video. For whatever it's worth, whether you're looking at the refurb one or the new one, they both seem to come with brand new Apple Watch bands. These are pretty much looking the same, though this has the retail packaging UPC stuff on it, whereas the refurbished one doesn't. But when I opened up the bands, they look different. I couldn't tell that this one is a refurbished at all. It just looks like a normal sport band. Okay, here are our watches. One is refurb, one is new. Can you tell the difference? Did I mix them up at all? Let's see. Everything looks like you normally see with an Apple Watch here, just some paperwork. We've got the same thing here in the top one. Nothing looking different. Cables all brand new, factory sealed cables. Everything looks spot on between these two. And in fact, I cannot tell a difference so far which one is which. I don't know if you guys can out there. Let's take a look at the all-important Apple Watches and see if we notice a difference with them between the two. Go ahead and open that one up. And we'll slide this one out as well. Same packaging, same everything thus far. Okay, close up on the watches. Can you still tell if either is real, official, brand new, or which one is refurbed. I definitely can't. I don't see a single scuff or mark or anything on the refurbished model. It honestly looks absolutely brand new. They're so indiscernible. If you are wondering, the one in my left hand is the refurbished one right here. This is the refurbished. No difference at all. Not a single scratch, hair out of place. This is a perfect, brand new looking Apple Watch, but it's actually refurbished and is $60 cheaper than the brand new one here on the right hand side. An Apple Certified Refurbished Apple Watch is inspected, cleaned, and repackaged in a brand new box with a brand new Apple Watch charger and brand new manuals. It comes with a full 1-year warranty, which can even be extended with Apple Care Plus. So if you plan on buying Apple Care, there's no reason to not consider a refurbished Apple Watch because you are protected with Apple behind you. Honestly, in this refurbished model, there's nothing different. I can't find a single difference here at all between this and the new model, and I would absolutely be happy to pick this up and save myself a decent amount of money at the same time. So those are the big differences between a brand new Apple Watch Series 7 and a refurbished model, which begs the question of whether or not it is worth it to buy a refurbished Apple Watch. And the answer is it just really depends. There's nothing wrong with buying refurbished, and if they are currently the best deals, there's not much wrong with buying a refurbished one. It still comes with the warranty and it looks good as new when you open it up. But we can often see deals that are lower than what the refurbished prices are. In fact, when I started creating this video, I saw prices on Amazon for $329 for a brand new Apple Watch Series 7 with several different band configurations. That's $10 cheaper than what Apple is charging for a refurbished Apple Watch Series 7. You can get a new one for less than what Apple charges for a refurbished one. It's a no-brainer to buy the new Apple Watch Series 7. But that isn't always the case. By the time I finished shooting this video and got it published to you all out there, those prices had risen, and now they're $380 or so for the cheapest Apple Watches on Amazon. And in this case, yeah, a refurbished Apple Watch would be cheaper than a new one. But they do frequently go on sale, and if you are patient and you keep your eyes peeled, you can often find better deals on new Apple Watches than what Apple charges for a refurbished model. In fact, keep your eyes peeled on AppleInsider's price guide. I've gone ahead and linked it down below in the description, but we check prices regularly and update the price guide with all sorts of Apple Watch models, and you can usually find a good deal on the one that you are looking for. So go ahead, keep your eyes peeled, be patient, and find that Apple Watch that you want. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments or on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and stay tuned. Got a lot more videos headed your way.